Good evening. I am Dr. Lokanath, Consultant Interventional Cardiologist at Basava Polyclinic Heart and Surgical Care Center. I am a visiting consultant at Aryan Center Care Hospitals. I am also working as Assistant Professor in Department of Cardiology, Belagavi Institute of Medical Science. Today I am going to talk about heart failure and its management. Heart failure, as we know, it's more commonly seen in patients who are at risk for heart failure. Those patients usually will be having diabetes, hypertension, and some patients will be having heart attack, followed by their pumping capacity comes down. These patients, if you don't treat them, the mortality of these patients is much higher than patient of cancer. So adequate treatment and recognition of heart failure is very important. There are three types of heart failure. Heart failure with reduced ejection fraction, that is the pumping of the heart comes down, and heart failure with mid-range ejection fraction, and heart failure with preserved ejection fraction. In heart failure with preserved ejection fraction, the heart pumping capacity appears to be normal in echocardiography, but there are criteria, there are scoring systems with which we can identify patients with the heart failure with preserved ejection fractions. If you recognize these patients early, these patients usually having patients will be having dyspnea on exertion, and patients will have abdominal distension, renal edema, and raised veins in the necks, and patient is not able to walk. All those symptoms patients will be having. These patients should be recognized, and there is a lot of protocols for the treatment of these three types of heart failure. In our clinic, routinely, daily, we are treating 5 to 6 patients of heart failure. Patients are getting benefited. A proper treatment of heart failure will lead to higher survival rate and good life expectancy. And any queries or anything related to heart failure, you can feel free to consult me at our Basava Polyclinic Heart and Surgical Care Center, Goodshed Road, Shahapur.